Today, I'll show you how to make earrings with small wings and a bead in the middle. If you wish, you can make these earrings without a bead at all, or hang the bead lower so that it dangles. Let's take 3 pieces of wire, 4.5 centimeters each. I usually use 26 gauge wire for wrapping. Since my pieces are symmetrical, I typically start from the middle. I love this wrapping technique because it looks very beautiful, and at the same time, it connects the parts quite tightly, especially the small ones. Here we simply wrap each wire separately, first from the front side and then from the back side. This technique is suitable for any amount of wire starting from 2. Don't forget to periodically adjust your weaving with pliers. In this case, your weaving will be dense and even. Using a hammer, we beat off the edges so that they resemble wings more closely. At the same time, our short parts will be better secured in the weave and will not move back and forth. Let's spread our wings a little. If you like the music you hear in this video, follow the QR code on the screen to my new channel dedicated to the music I produce myself. Hold the hammer perpendicular to the surface to ensure the part is hammered evenly. And don't forget that we usually hammer on the back side of the part, so that the front side has fewer marks from the hammer. Try to be evenly so that the piece is smooth and perfectly round. Sometimes I hear that things didn't work out for you, and it makes you feel worried and discouraged, as if your motivation just slips away. I don't always get it right the first time either. I often have to redo things several times, but all of that stays behind the scenes, and you only see the final result. So don't rush to conclusions. You still have a few more tries ahead of you, and eventually you will get it right. Just be patient. In these earrings, I used a jasper heart bead. You can purchase them from my store. Use the QR code on the screen or find the link in the description. But in principle, you can use any other bead here, about 6 to 8 millimeters. For the ear wire, I use a wire with a ball on the end. I have a video that shows how to make such a wire. Use the QR code displayed here or the link that you can find in the description. You can also use regular wire. Just make a loop at the end. I forgot to film how I did an ear wire, but it's quite easy and we've done it many times before, so I hope it won't be difficult for you.